Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a name change with BSES. First, you'll need to gather essential documents such as your identity proof and address proof. Next, secure a name change affidavit from a notary public, ensuring it clearly states your old and new names. Double-check that all supporting documents are consistent with your desired new name to avoid any delays in the application process. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth submission. Once your documents are ready, proceed to your nearest BSES customer care center. There, you will obtain and accurately fill out the name change application form. Make sure to attach all your collected documents, including the notarized affidavit, to the application. A BSES representative will guide you through the submission process and provide a reference number for tracking. Keep this reference number safe for future inquiries about your application status. After submission, BSES will initiate a verification process to confirm the authenticity of your documents and information. You may be required to pay a nominal processing fee, which varies depending on the specific BSES regulations. Ensure you receive a receipt for any payments made. Following successful verification and payment, BSES will update their records, and your new name will reflect on subsequent electricity bills and official communications. Once your name change is processed, regularly check your electricity bills to ensure the update has been successfully implemented. If you notice any discrepancies, or if the name hasn't changed within a few billing cycles, promptly contact BSES customer service for assistance. They can provide an update on your application status and resolve any issues. Also, for a fresh car, check out the link in the description for little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Your patience and follow-up are key to a complete name change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.